Okay, welcome to a little video for this Mini 3. This is not the Pro, this is just the ordinary Mini 3, but it's a really good drone. Depends really how far you want to take the hobby, but if you're a newcomer, this Mini 3 will be ideal. So just simply press and hold the button down, and the same for the controller. Now this controller is one with a screen built in. You can either have it with the screen built in or just use your phone. There are advantages and disadvantages in both options, but it is more pricey. Really good camera, shoots landscape and portrait. It moves in its orientation. 249 grams, nice and lightweight, no license really required. 3-axis gimbal, and all in all, really nice little clever bit of kit. I should just plonk it down here to take it off. Full GPS, brushless motors. There we are, that's in portrait. That's in landscape. You can see the picture quality is excellent. Just hooks up to satellites. Put the sticks down to the opposing bottom right and left corners like so, and then throttle her up, and it's really quiet, super stable. So there's the sun. Let's just take it over here. Snowy day today in Bath, or Winsley, just outside of Bath, but it flies exceptionally easily. If you've been into previous RC stuff, these are a doddle to fly, and it doesn't take long to get to know how they work. So you've got sensors on the bottom, sensors on the front, anti-collision sensors. The 3 in the 4 Pro, 3 Pro, 4 Pro come with more optical sensors, but to be fair, you don't really need it. It's just as much fun flying it around. Once you've got the hang of it, brakes on its own, so when you let go of the sticks it just stops and it ascends nice and quickly. You get up to about 40 meters or so and you can barely hear it. And I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll just come under here so you can see the picture quality, and if you've got a good phone it'll be exactly the same picture quality. You just put an SD card into it and record your footage and stills. And then you've got Google Maps as well on the bottom here. Oh, it's not. I'm not logged into an account, so it's unbound, and it's a full touch screen on this controller. So just make your mind up. It's about 200 quid extra for one of these, but it does make life a little bit simpler. But as I say, it all depends really how far you want to go with the hobby. But the Mini 2 and the Mini 3 are great little bits of kit for starting off, and if you get the bug you can always sell it on and go for a Mini 4 Pro or something like that. But yeah, great little bit of kit, nice and easy to fly, and I'll just land it down there. So nice and simple. Thanks for watching, bye bye.